Hey fellow nerds, and welcome to another YouTube video. Long time ago when I started this channel, which I still haven't really quite figured out what I want to do with it. I just, like being creative in the odd moment here. I'd done a little channel bumper
Welcome
type
to my
thing
channel intro.
where I had said one of the things I was going to talk about was coin collecting and silver and gold and that sort of thing. I've decided that I had too many things I wanted to talk about. So far, I've limited things down to just more nerdy materials. Like I used to do videos about gardening and just weird random things that, had nothing to do with anything. Today, what I did want to talk about as a little bit of an homage to that sort of idea was, I'm not going to be talking about silver or gold or coin collecting. But this is almost in a way like a crypto video. It's a little bit of a nerdy collectible video. So I don't know what you know about crypto, but there used to be this thing called like a Casascius coin. So when Bitcoin first came out, there was this guy who was selling coins that he made, and the private key was on the back with a little sticker that you pulled off, and then you could spend that Bitcoin that was on the key. And I remember seeing this years ago, and he was selling them $30, and you got the coin and a full Bitcoin on there for something like $200. You could get a fake gold bar that had 1,000 Bitcoin in it, which today would be like just a ridiculous amount of money. I really wanted to get one of those coins, but I think he had already kind of stopped selling them when I discovered them, as the price of Bitcoin had already gone up to like $100 or something. So it wasn't economically feasible. But after that, there was many copycats, and the original idea still stuck around. So I got this coin here as a Christmas present, I believe, from Merlot Mama. It was a Christmas present, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was in his stocking. So
yeah.
Santa brought it.
So Santa brought it. So anyways, this, I'd mentioned that I'd always wanted one, and she got me one, and, I'll put a little picture of it, a little close up here. There's two different sides. Anyways, Mother's Day and her birthday is coming up. So I was ordering some things online on Alibaba, and then I noticed, you could get these coins, which I was aware of, but there was one site that had a whole bunch, and I have a bunch of favorite cryptos, and I thought, you know what, let's order a few. They were like, I don't know, $1.75 a piece. So yeah, I figured relatively good deal for what it is for a collectible. So I got the package in the mail, and I wasn't sure if it was for her or for me, and then I just kind of like peeked in here. So figure let's open it up and see what we get. So I'm kind of excited, and I just figured I'd share this collectible one. Oh, you can hear that air from China leaking out. Wonder if there's fresh air or what. So here's what we got. And look at all these coins. Oh, I'm excited. I don't really remember what it was I had actually ordered. Oh, and this one's actually a necklace. So, let's check this out. We definitely comes in all these little baggies too, eh? Like a lot of extra packaging here. So this one here, I love it. I love the coin, and I love the crypto, and this is Ethereum. So I had given Merlot Mama an Ethereum, and I checked a couple hours ago. I was charging the phone to make the video, and I noticed it had gone up like another 15% today. So your Ethereum's gone up, and so that's always good news. I'm so pumped. So here we have Ethereum, and we got a little picture there, and it's two-sided. The front there, it has the logo, and I like the two tones. And on the back, it says a decentralized platform that runs smart contracts, ETH. So that's super exciting. And here's a different ETH one. This one doesn't look as exciting, honestly. Now, oh, Oh yeah, so this is Ethereum Classic, and it's just kind of silvery. So here's the back side or front side, I don't really know. It just says open source, decentralized, and actually Ethereum Classic's been pumping as well. I mean, everything in crypto's just gangbusters lately. I mean, I can't believe it. You know, it's one of, if you're a nerd and you are into crypto and nerdy stuff and computers, I mean, this is your time, hey? Like, I've never seen excitement like this over something so nerdy. Anyways, this next one, Monero, hey? Last time I checked, I think that was like above $400. And I remember when it was $1. I remember checking it out on Bitcoin Talk. This coin's kind of boring, the front and the back. Let's see what it says here. It's kind of hard to read. There's some letters and numbers. Ounce 0.999 fine copper. MJB monetary metals. Monero, digital, decentralized, peer-to-peer. And you might laugh at the 99% pure copper, but believe it or not, seeing the price of metal and lumber go up lately, I'm telling you, like, everything's going up in price due to inflation. It's wild. And, you know, I'd be surprised there that if copper doesn't continue going to the moon too. This weekend, I was trying to build some things, and I didn't even have the heart to go to the lumber store. I'll throw a little picture up here somewhere. I was literally walking through the bush, dragging old lumber out that I could cut up and just recycle to build some shelves and just fix up some things. I was literally using like boards that were half rotten. But honestly, some of that wood from the old days, it's pretty decent shape. So this next one, it's the one that everybody loves to hate, Ripple. And it has the Ripple logo on there. So I don't know what you call this, XRP, Ripple Labs, like whatever. They keep changing the name because they don't want to be deemed a security and the SEC is after them. So we got pictures of the front and back. So this one here is Zcash. I've never been a fan of Zcash. I mean, I only got the coin because it is a bigger coin. You know, I've never held any Zcash that I can remember. I did hold some Z Classic. I bought some, just like a couple dollars worth, literally like $5 worth before the Bitcoin private Z Classic fork merger thing that happened a long time ago. And then the thing went to the moon and I dumped it before, so I never did get that airdrop. But apparently everybody who hung around for it was kind of a sucker anyways. So this one's again another 0.999 fine copper made by Monetary Metals. And it's kind of hard to read this here. Zcash, digital, decentralized, peer-to-peer. So kind of the same as the Monero one. And now this one here, this crypto, which I tried it. You know, I did buy some. If you check my Twitter, I did the mistake. Well, it wasn't a mistake. I actually profited. But I believe normally it's a mistake to catch a falling knife in life. So if something's dropping in price so hard, don't try catching it because you're probably not going to hit the bottom. But I bought IOTA like right at the dead bottom a while ago. And again, you know, we're talking in the tens of dollars here just for fun because yeah, I've never had it. And, you know, IOTA's just like a garbage. Honestly, like it's a DAG. It's not even really a crypto. But here's this coin and it has the Tangle established 2016. It's kind of like a little spider webby thing. And it says POW, which is incorrect. Hodlcat.com, seed, dab. I don't know. Transaction, attach. Apparently you have to click attach for every transaction you've ever done to get your money back from this thing. So
oh, well, you have to click
reattach. Anyways, this whole Tangle thing.
I don't know why. Okay, fine. Reattach.
You know, there's just some ones and zeros, some kind of
doesn't work.
Fake binary. It has the IOTA logo. I mean, honestly, the best thing about IOTA is its logo. Now, this one here is Dash, eh? We could see with that logo right away. I like this coin. I like things that are two-tone, like the Ethereum one and the Ripple one. But, you know, I want to collect one of every crypto. I really want to get a Hex coin, so I'm probably going to have to check out Hex Toys or something like that. I don't know if they have one, but I do definitely have to have Hex. I'm missing that from the collection. So this says Dash Digital Private Instant Secure on the front, and it's got the little logo, and then the back is exactly the same. So, but still kind of neat nonetheless. We'll get some of these wrappers out of here. Now, the last one, which I used to have over 10,000 of this on Cryptopia, which we all know where that is. A bunch of lawyers stole it all. And it's gone up so much, so I wish I had removed it. I think I still have my wallet, which only had like 26 Cardano in there or some crap. But anyways, this is Cardano, so there's the logo. The currency is called ADA, after, I believe, the mathematician. And it says Byron Shelby. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Voltaire. Anyways, it's just different stages of the development, secure layered smart contracts. And so there's Cardano and its logo. So that's pretty sweet. You know, I'm really excited to get these, and I'm going to mount them somewhere really nerdy and just have them there as my display. So run through them. What's not here is I did order a Doge, but I ordered it from a different place that was selling it. And the reason why I didn't get the one from this supplier was the other one had Doge coins that had like the hologram and coloring on there. And honestly, Doge will always hold a special place in my heart because it was one of the first things I ever mined with the GPU. And also, I mean, it was easy to get into, and so many people are entering crypto from Doge, so I was okay to spend the extra $1 or $2 on a better looking Dogecoin just because I love it so much. And we're going to wait and see. Elon has yet to be on SNL while I'm filming this, so we'll see if he mentions something. But I mean, Doge is king. If you go back earlier, before the whole Doge spike, I actually made a YouTube video, kind of a little weird one, where I subscribed to Pornhub using Dogecoin just to see how their interface for using crypto works. And it's just kind of like a tongue-in-cheek thing. And of course, I had to pay with Doge being the ultimate meme coin. And so that was a lot of fun. I do regret making the video now because obviously the 1,200 Doge I gave away. Doge coins. You know, I wish I still had it, in all honesty. So that was probably the most expensive 1-month membership in history. Which is why you don't spend crypto. Just hodl, hodl, hodl. And this one here, it's a little Bitcoin necklace here. I used to wear some necklaces, and I took them off once because I went to Arizona. And you got to go through all these metal detectors and all this crap, and I just didn't feel like wearing it. But I decided to get a Bitcoin necklace. Maybe there might be an awesome Hex necklace or something in the works. Hex has been the most profitable crypto I've ever owned, and sheerly by accident, honestly. Like, I was always a fan of Richard Hart and Hex, and you know, I got some only because he made it. But to tell you the truth, I didn't buy enough, and I didn't think it was going to do as well as it did. But the amount that I bought ended up overtaking my entire crypto portfolio, which is fine. I'm not bothering to rebalance, honestly, and I'm not bothering to sell it or dump it. I sold some earlier on and took a little bit of profits, but at this point I'm eagerly awaiting Pulse Chain and the Ethereum fork that's going to be happening. So let's take a look at this here, this Bitcoin chain. It's kind of got the fake diamonds in there. I don't know if I can get that to sparkle. Anyways, I'm loving all this collection, and I appreciate you coming to check it out. Well, just a quick little update before I posted this video. My Dogecoin came in, so I'm really excited about it. Please forgive my appearance. I was just doing yard work as spring is now here. So here is the Dogecoin with the imprinted Doge meme on there.
Much wow.
Much wow. Coin, how money, so crypto, very rich. And here is the back of the Dogecoin, which has an engraving of the moon and a rocket ship, and of course the Dogecoin logo, and it says "to the moon." So I was just really excited, and I wanted to make sure this was part of the video, and you know, just another coin for the collection. And I'm looking forward to picking up a Hex coin. I might even get a few so that people I know who end up buying Hex in the future, I can give them a physical coin to commemorate the event for them. So anyways, thank you very much.
Bye!